Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to convert Canva website design to Shopify. So as you can see right here, I have two tabs at the top. So this is for our Shopify account, and for the other tab, we have our Canva account. So what we are going to do first is to create our design or our Canva design in Canva. So what we're going to do here, open your Canva and then using the search bar at the top, search for website. And then after that, you'd be able to see here different templates for your website that you can use. So what we are going to do here is to create a blank website. So for example, you would like to use this template from Canva. So this is a product page. So if you want to use this one, you'd be able to see here the edit option, or you can directly customize this template. But for this video, we are going to um, start or create a blank website. So just click on this one, and from there we are going to use a template. Okay, so once you're here, you'll be able to see here the template section, the layout, and the styles. So for this one, we are going to use the search bar at the top and search for product page template. Okay, and then all you have to do here is to choose the template that you wanted to use for your Canva design website. And as you can see, some of the template has a crown icon, which means you have to subscribe to a pro plan if you want to use this template. Okay, I think this template is good, so I'm just going to click on apply all pages. Then after that, you can now start customizing this Canva design or this Canva template. So yeah, let's start with changing or replacing the background images. So let's start with this one. So just simply click on it and then go to the upload section. That's right, and then I'm just going to use this makeup pictures. So I'm just going to drag and drop this one, and it will be automatically added to the frames on this design or this template. So I'm just going to replace this one as well. So take note, once you selected a template in Canva, you can start customizing or changing or replacing the elements from there. Okay, so let's start to change the text for this one. So I think I'm going to remove the text above. I don't think this one is necessary for the website that we are trying to create. Okay, so now let's change the text right here. So maybe I'm going to type out show your best glow. So it's up to you of what kind of website you are trying to make. So of course, it should be relevant to the website or to the store that you have on Shopify. Okay, so show your best glow, and then the next thing that you should do here is to remove the unnecessary text or buttons from Canva. Okay, so once done, all you have to do now is to publish the website. So just simply click on the publish website. That's right, and then make sure to click on the resize and mobile option. Then for your website URL, you just have to create your website URL and click on publish website. Now you just have to wait for a couple of seconds while they're preparing your website design. Then after that, you can now view your website. So just simply click on this button. That's right, and you'll be directed to another page. Now that your website is ready, let's now go back to Shopify and then convert our Canva website to our Shopify store, of course. So yeah, make sure to log in to your Shopify account, and then right here, click on the add apps option. So let's visit our online store and go to themes, and you'll be able to see here now the design or the theme that you're using for your store. Okay, so now let us convert our Canva website to our Shopify store. Click on the add apps option, and right here you'd be able to see different applications that you can add to your store. Now we cannot find here the Canva, so just simply click on the Shopify App Store option. Next is we are going to use the search bar at the top and search for Canva. Okay, after clicking on enter, you'd be able to see here different applications, but I suggest you choose this auto sync Canva integration. So just clicked on this one, and this one is for free, and then the current rating is 4.8, which is good. So just simply clicked on the install button. That's right. Now just wait for a couple of seconds, and you'll need to confirm that you want to install this application. So just simply click on the install option beside the cancel. That's right. Once you have installed it, now all you have to do is to copy the code. Okay, you'll be able to see here another details or a guide for you to sync your Canva design to your Shopify store. So for step number one, you just have to click the link right here, and then you have to copy the code. Okay, so let's click on the Shopify synced. And for step number three, click connect button in the Canva application. So let's copy the store key for now. Okay, so copy this one. Next is we are going to click on the Shopify sync. Okay, so your Canva designers can use this unique key to link to the Shopify store to your Canva account. So this allows your teams to search the Shopify product images in Canva. Now right here, you make sure to select the design that you have created. Okay, and then after that, click on the edit design, and as you can see right here at the left side, okay, you'd be able to see here the apps. So click on it, and then using the search bar at the top, just search for auto sync. Okay, so just type out right here the auto sync. Okay, so after that, just click on enter. After that, just click on this Shopify sync. That's right, and then click on open. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds, and then click on connect. That's right. Okay, so remember the code that we have copied earlier. So you just have to type out right here a random username, then go back here in Shopify, then make sure to copy the code or the key. So just simply paste it right here. So I'm just going to use this name, and then for the store key, this one, and click on connect Shopify store. Now your Shopify Canva integration is done, so your store images will now show in Canva. So after that, it will help your business to maintain a professional and consistent brand look without needing advanced design skills. So when using this integration, it is important to ensure that the images are high quality, properly sized, and aligned with the store's branding. So keeping the design simple and eye-catching can improve the customer engagement and sales. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.